Well, good morning, and today we are in Funchal in Madeira, Portugal. On the island of Madeira, we're outside the Pest Ann Hotel, right on the seafront as you can see here, and we're just going to go for a little walk around, so if you'd like to join us, please do.
Welcome to Travels with the Russells. We invite you to join us on our adventures as we explore different countries, their cultures, sites, and significant historic and religious monuments.
We invite you to please like and subscribe to our channel, Travels with the Russells.
So this Pest Ann Hotel is right on the harbour front here. Lots of sea-facing rooms there. It's very nice. Bit of modern art. Gift shop, hire shop, ATMs, wine bars, cafes. Of course, Madeira is quite close to the Canary Islands, famous for its kind of semi-tropical climate. It is May now, beginning of May, so the tourist season is just about kicking in. Statue of Ronaldo, of course. Football, something unfortunate that I don't have any enthusiasm for. I guess my problem is I couldn't stand all the highs and lows that come with football, and living a life of constant in rapture with a game of football is not for me. And then to sit disappointed when they lose, nah. Rather just have no interest, which is easy. So just don't. Oh. Not averse to a bit of begging in Funchal either, Madeira. Unfortunately, it's the thing you see everywhere nowadays, and that is people on the streets begging, especially in tourist areas. Again, the most famous thing from Madeira is the gardens, the greenery. So we walk down the seafront here. And, see that it's quite busy further down. a typical kind of Mediterranean, Canary Islands, Cyprus, Spain thing is that the tourists are all walking around in shorts, t-shirts and flip-flops, and the locals have still got the coats on. I guess when you're used to summer temperatures in the 30s and the 40s even, that's when the temperature drops down to 22 as it is today, that for the locals must feel chilly. Nice to see electric buses, environmentally friendly. Day ticket €5, you can't really go wrong there. I do like Madeira. We have been here before. Mask wearing, I do notice that all the public transport, the buses, everyone seems to still be wearing masks. That shops, restaurants, etc., when you go in, require mask wearing.
Whales, crocodile.
Did he say crocodiles?
Crocodiles, he did say crocodiles, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'd hate to see crocodiles.
That'll be good. I must have caught some crocodiles and placed them into captivity. So I don't think the Canary Islands are really known for their crocodile population. It smells nice, there's a nice smell of food coming from somewhere. As you can see, it is actually quite busy down here. A lot of tourists about. COVID testing station. No, thank you. There we go. All the way from South America. I think last time we were here, those guys were here as well. Oh dear. There we go. Pizza Hut, McDonald's. the invasion of the global conglomerates, yeah, or whatever. The invasion of the massive chains all over the world. Yeah, interesting. Lovely chairs, ice cream cones. Oh, that tree is stunning. Oh, modern artworks. Not so colourful, but again, beautiful tree here. I love these wide open walking areas. Right down there too. It's over by the sea. It's all pedestrianised. It's all walking area, cafes and restaurants. Maintaining the gardens everywhere. Full-time job, I would guess. Full-time job. Yeah. Yeah, lovely. Birds of paradise plants. Again. Of nature, flowers, plants. Looks like this place here opens up for some kind of entertainment on an evening. Little stalls selling beers and wines and burgers and ice creams and coffees. So, as you can see, busy. It is slightly overcast today. We've got a bit of cloud, but it is warm. So I think we are starting to come towards the end of our walk along the promenade, the front here in Funchal in Madeira. And we'll wrap this walk up. Still got Christmas things up. Interesting. Okay, well, I think from Julie and I will say goodbye, and we'll see you later. There is. So if you've enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, make any comments. If I can, I'll answer any questions that you've got, and your comments, questions and queries are welcome on any of our videos, so please check them out. Travels with the Russells. See you later.